Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a PayPal without a credit card. So first things up, you go onto the paypal.com site, go here sign up for free and select a personal account. You type in your mobile number, there should be a text that is sent to your phone. You just type that in and here you should fill out your details like your email address, first name, last name and your password. Next, you fill out your address and date of birth. So after you filled out your address, check this box, click agree and create account. So next thing you should do is click here, get started. And when it asks for your credit card, you click on the link, you delete everything besides paypal.com and click enter. It should lead you to the PayPal's website and that's basically it. Here you can click link card or bank and you can link your bank account instead of a credit card. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and thank you for watching.